Most people fall along four simple dimensions: thinkers versus feelers. Do they solve problems with logic or with empathy? Thinkers say, "Let's fix it." Feelers ask, "Are you okay?" Introverts versus extroverts. Do they recharge alone or with people? One wants quiet, the other's throwing a party on Tuesday. Planners versus spontaneous. Some crave structure, others love to wing it. One uses Google Calendar, the other shows up late with iced coffee. Big picture versus detail-oriented. Do they focus on the vision or the checklist? One dreams, the other gets it done. Understanding these four shifts everything. Let's say your boss is a thinker, planner, introvert. Direct, organized, private. Don't small talk for 10 minutes. Get to the point, respect their time, and you win trust. Now imagine your best friend is a feeler, spontaneous extrovert. They hate conflict. They text back LOL in all caps, even when it's not funny. They don't need you to fix it. They just need to know you get it. Same goes for dating. You might think someone's cold or too much, when really they're just wired differently. Here's the truth. You don't need to change who you are. You just need to understand who they are. Adapt the approach, not your identity. When you speak someone's personality language, you stop clashing and start connecting. You don't just get along, you build trust, influence, even love. Empathy isn't agreeing with everyone. It's recognizing where they're coming from. Pause before reacting. Ask yourself, what matters most to them right now? Mirror their style slightly. Faster talkers, slower responders, eye contact. Don't label, listen. And always, always stay curious. The goal isn't to box people in. It's to meet them where they are. People aren't hard to understand. They're just different from you. Master this, and your world changes. Want to go deeper? Hit follow. Your next breakthrough connection could be one mindset shift away.